Okay, everyone, we are on Spiral Practice 108. Number 1 says Nikita used whole numbers to find the product of 600ths times 8/10. He wrote 6 times 8 equals 48, which shows where Nikita correctly placed the decimal point in the product. So if we have 600ths times 8/10, we know 6 times 8 is 48. We're going to count the decimal places. We have 2 here and we have 1 here. So in our answer, we have to add these together. 2 plus 1, there should be 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now look, boys and girls, we do not have a digit here, but we know our decimal needs to go here. So we're going to fill in that empty spot with 0. There you go. The correct answer should be C. Number 2 says Mariah works part-time at a discount store. Her gross income amounts for the last 4 weeks were $115.75, $118.50, $120.75, and $99.75. Her total payroll tax for the 4 weeks was $59.70. Which of the following can be used to determine her net income for the 4 weeks? So let's remember that gross income, gross is the most, and net is what you get. So we know that our gross income is going to be more than our net income. You're going to take these 4 numbers and you're going to add those together to give you the total of her gross income for those 4 weeks. The payroll tax is going to be something that you're going to pay. So this amount is going to be subtracted from her total. So when we look at the answer choices, we find G says to find the sum of her gross incomes, then subtract her payroll tax for the 4 weeks. That is what you would do in order to find her net income. Number 3. For her homeroom party, Brenda bought a package of 6 sodas for $2.84, a liter of orange juice for $1.78, and a can of frozen lemonade for 98 cents. Brenda made punch for the class of 20 students. What was the cost per student for the punch Brenda made? So she bought a package of 6 sodas for $2.84. It was $2.84 for all 6 of them. This is the cost of the orange juice and the cost of the lemonade. So we need to take those, the soda, the orange juice, and the lemonade, and we're going to add those together to find the total cost of all 3 ingredients. Remember, when you are adding decimals, they need to be lined up in a straight line. So 4 plus 8 would give us 12. 12 plus 8 is going to be 20. Put down that 0 and carry your 2. 8 plus 2 gives me 10. 10 plus 7 gives me 17. And 17 plus 9 would give me 26. Put down my 6 and carry my 2. That's 2, 4, 5. $5.60 is what it costs to make that punch. Now it says, what was the cost per student? So if you're going to give 20 students this lemonade, we want to know per student. That means for just one. So we're going to take $5.60 and we're going to divide that by 20. Remember, with dividing with a decimal, you're going to bring it straight up. Will 20 go into 5? No. Will it go into 56? Yes, 2 times, which is going to be 40. Subtract that out, you have 16 left. We're going to bring down this 0. Now 20 will go into 168 times because 2 goes into 16 8 times. That gives you exactly 160. So one student is going to pay 28 cents. Now look, it's decimal to 8. So when you are doing it on the grid, decimal to 8 to be your 28 cents. These first 3 columns should be left blank. You don't even have to put the zeros. Make sure that you bubble in here though, because just writing the numbers is not considered recording your answers on the grid.